Ini kan lo close lo program ini for kopi ya kita. Today morning we open it.
Oh, so.
There's a hole here, but don't put your hand in it. You can get a pretty good shot of it.
Oh, so. Pet crocodile, huh? Cui. And a freshwater pool that seeps through the rocks. And I'm here buying some timber to make a cash register for my shop. Okay, I'm going to be making a cash register box for my shop. So I've already cut 2 pieces, and this is some of my wood, and that's the rest of my wood there. And yo, I'll do a little time lapse of the rest of the build. I had to run down and pull up the boat because look at that rain. And my wood's getting a bit wet. Oh well. Okay, gonna have a little break and head up to where the church is because we're doing a fundraiser for it. Bunch of markets and stuff. Got some money and we'll go contribute. Oh yeah. Look at me. Is this from... Oh, it's your slippery. That's our bell that we ring whenever church is on or school break or whatever. Okay, the sun is back out. And I bought some popcorn and a drink. I think it only cost me about just under $10, so I gave them $100 and donated the rest. But now I'm going to get back to building this cash register. So chill.
I've been wanting change, flame, lover, hipping on my brain. I can't get me off scupper. 7 years don't change, the same, not after. I've been thinking about it, think I have to let you go. I'm and on around it, it's 100 times so embarrassing. I never said a thing or told her so. I know that you'll come back to me as soon as I let go, go, go. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? Too sick of it, yes it's getting. Make me feel sick, twisted in my. Wonder if he'll exist in my. Oh, I need to let go. Know that I don't can really run on my own. No, don't let that ease as I inside it, driving on swerve. No, I can never fight him, I'll go silent at the past. No, he comes back, I'm fighting, really kicking off the urge, so. 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 Really kicking off the urge, so.
Okay, we're done for today. I'm going to sand it up, clean it up a bit more tomorrow, but it's about 8 o'clock now, so I'll show you how this works. There's a latch there. Let me unlock it for you. Okay. Oh yeah. I can get it back there. And that's our cash register. So we got 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, $2 coins, $1 coins, and the senses. But me tired. And it's time for bed. So, hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Ciao. $1,000 float. Got all my coins. That's just a piece of paper that has stuff in case I forget. 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, 100s. And that's what it used to be in. And I had to dig down to get coins and it was frustrating. So now, cash register. Yet another absolute feast. Oh. Some Vinland Saga. Oh, Bieber wants some of the action too, eh? That's up. And we got pineapple drink. Pineapple and lime drink.